And good morning, Facebook. Another bright and sunny day here in Cheshire, sunny Cheshire, the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub. Well, it's dry, but it's not sunny. But I'll take that over the rain any day of the week. Yeah, boy, did it rain yesterday. We had water flowing out, overrunning the gutters, running down the walls yesterday. We managed to clean it up and dry it out, but yeah, we had water running over the gutters yesterday. Yeah, boy, did it. It didn't half rain here in Northwich, but hey ho, that's the way it goes. There's your British summer for you. So what did we do yesterday? Phil C, one of our SimplyDiag Network specialists, was over. Land Rover specialist came over yesterday, potted around the hub for the day. Morning Stephen, morning Darren, and we had a Peugeot expert in yesterday. Morning Richard, morning Alex, morning Andrew. And yeah, Peugeot expert in yesterday with an additive problem. Morning Keith. And we're looking at wiring diagrams for the additive module and that. Morning Martin. And yeah, there was the wiring just didn't seem right for the vehicle. So massive shout out to one of our community partners this morning. So all data technical information. They're one of our community partners. So I sent off an info request yesterday morning at about 10:30. 10:34, we got all the information back that we needed. Absolutely fantastic. So OE wiring diagrams came back, blasted it back. We got everything we needed, and I'll just show you the wiring diagram quickly now. Make this size a little bit smaller so it all fits on one page. So from this diagram, yeah, we're able to work out that BSI controls the additive pump. It also provides the feed, and then we've got a separate ground down at the bottom. This is the additive pump here. So we've got a power on the blue wire, an earth on the green wire. Obviously wire colours aren't always applicable to wiring diagrams for Peugeot Citroën. And then we've got our command or our comms wire, 9053 Hotel there, the black wire in the middle. Yeah, literally 4 minutes for an info request. That's got to be a record. Well done, all data. Absolutely fantastic. And yeah, so we got it diagnosed, and it needs a pump. Basically, it does need a pump. If you've got a good power and a good earth, and it'll light a 21 watt bulb up, it should run an additive pump. Good comm signal on the lin, so it's a single wire lin system, and yeah, so there we go. Big shout out to all data. Absolutely fantastic response time. And for those members that are coming along on ride-alongs, we've also got a load of freebies from all data. We've got water bottles, we've got wireless chargers, we've got cups from Avon Tuning, pens. Well, we've got all sorts of good stuff. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. And yeah, really awesome response time. And we're going to make a bit more of an effort to give more of a shout out for our partners. Talking on Opus IBS, they're the people I ring when I get in trouble, when I don't know where to go. Absolutely fantastic technical support. Don't give a shout out to these folks often enough. No pickler tools for that matter. Yeah. So there we go. So what we're doing in the hub today, well, we've got a transit van coming down with the radio faults. You can see Thunderbird 2's in the workshop. What's wrong with this little girl? Well, I think it's about time. She got a little bit of TLC, so I'm going to pull the battery pack out of it and do battery balancing on it. And we did a bit of a thing on it yesterday, rattling heat shield. But no, I've decided Thunderbird 2's coming off the road. So any local car dealers got a nice car that'll replace Thunderbird 2, hit me up. Thunderbird 5, what's Thunderbird 5 doing? So I've got 2 ride-alongs today. Morning Tracy, how are you? Yeah, Thunderbird 5, the Pickler Volvo. We've got 2 ride-alongs this week, one tomorrow and one Friday. and we've got to diagnose whether it actually needs wheel bearings. It's got a mechanical ABS fault on it, so the fault codes are reporting. So we've got to actually get it in and diagnose. We're going to do that on the ride-alongs Wednesday and Friday. Have a look, get some wiggly lines up, and hopefully we'll see the Pickler tool van here and get them wheel bearings replaced using their awesome kit. Can't wait. Absolutely brilliant. So nice chill day today in the workshop. It is a short stay. I'll spare you the sight of my my sparrow legs, but there we go. Anyway, without further ado, if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow on hump day, happy birthday. Have an awesome hump day. Right now, the community Zoom is live. We've got 3 cameras running, so feel free to drop in if you're a subscribing member. The link is now in a separate section on the portal. I'll just show you now quickly. On the SimplyDiag Network portal, if we scroll down, so we log in, you can do this on your mobile device as well as PC. I normally use it exclusively on my mobile device. So if we go down to community area right there, subforums, click on that, membership benefits, Zoom and ride along links. We click on that, there are 3 pinned posts in this section: the link to the community calendar, the link to the Zoom, and the link to the Google Drive. So it's a new section, it's a change to the portal. Should make it easy for you to find those links, those posts, bookmark them, save them in your favourites, and then you can find them every day. The posts don't change, but the links inside them may. Morning Daniel, how are you? And that, as they say, is that. I'm going to have a number 9, listen to a bit of music, chill out, do a little bit of admin today. Got a problem with KTS 590 since the last Windows update. All of a sudden now it's not working on Bluetooth. So I've got an appointment with Bosch support at 10 AM this morning. They're going to team viewer in and sort the KTS 590 out for me. So wish me luck, fingers crossed. Thanks for watching, you're awesome.